got this beautiful cauliflower head. What are you going to do when you get all the florets cut off? So, after I cut all these lovely florets off, I am left with this. Is this trash? If you think that this is just trash, then you don't know me very well, do you? So, bare minimum that you can do with this cauliflower stem is use it in vegetable stock. And yeah, you can do that if you're basic. You could also cut it up and turn it into cauliflower mash, which, by the way, is delicious. But let's say you don't know what you want to do with it quite yet. I'm going to show you what you do with it in that case. Fun fact, a lot of people don't realize that the stem of the cauliflower is edible. It's just not as pretty as the rest of the cauliflower. First thing you got to do is cut off the part that was exposed to air and the woody bit. You want a nice chef's knife for that. So you can actually see the woody parts that are on there. I'm going to cut off just a teeny bit more. There we go. Now, if you got a nice chef's knife like I do, you can cut it up. You can also cut this up with a mandolin. Now, how you choose to cut it up is really up to you. You can make coins, you can make matchsticks, whatever you want. I'm going to, in this case, make matchsticks. So in this case, I actually know what I'm going to do with this. And just cut this. For now, I'm going to cut this cauliflower up into small pieces because I have a plan for it. Now, if I didn't have a plan for it, I would cut it up into whatever shape I want, and then I would blanch it probably for about 30 to 60 seconds and then put it in the freezer. Like I say, despite my joking earlier about about vegetable stock being basic, vegetable stock is a totally valid use for this particular piece of the cauliflower. You know, I just kind of feel like if you do that, you're really not using it to its fullest potential. And I like to use vegetable scraps in my stock. And I feel like the stems are really a valid part of the vegetable that you can use. I mean, and eat this. It's crunchy, it's nice. It tastes like cauliflower. You know, just, doesn't have the pretty florid look. Now, what can we use this in? What I'm going to use this in is a salad. And it's going to be delicious in the salad. That's why I'm making a point of cutting it up into small, easily digestible pieces. Probably going to cut these longer bits up too, but you can put these pieces in a soup. You can put them in a stir fry. This is great for cauliflower mash, for cauliflower rice, or rice cauliflower, depending on how you want to say it. Stir fry, curry, soup, anything like that. There is so much that you can do with a cauliflower stem. And so, just don't be one of those people who throws it away, because there is a ton of potential. You're really only limited by your imagination. You like cauliflower pizza crust rather? Do that. This is great. There's stuff for that. You can make soup. Leave me a comment about what I have not mentioned that you can do with cauliflower. Specifically with the cauliflower stems, not just the florets. And really, if you're going to be making cauliflower soup, then, you want the cauliflower florets for something pretty, save them for something pretty. Use the stem for the rest of that, where it doesn't matter what it looks like because you're going to be grinding it up into nothing anyway. There we go. Cauliflower stem ready to use or snack on, depending on how you are. All right, this one was short but sweet, talking about how you can cut up and use your cauliflower stems. Like I said, leave me something in the comments. Tell me about the creative ways you are using your cauliflower stems. It's not something you should throw away. At the bare minimum, make soup out of it. And honestly, beyond that, the sky's the limit. Anything you can do with cauliflower, you can do with the stem, and you should, because why waste it? You paid for it, after all. This has been Make, Mend, Grow with Diana. If you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.